Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare calcium nitrate versus urea. We'll explore how each fertilizer delivers vital nutrients to your plants, focusing on their unique compositions and benefits. You'll learn about their distinct impacts on soil health and plant development, helping you make informed decisions for your garden or farm. This comparison will highlight key differences, ensuring you choose the best option for specific crop needs and environmental conditions. Let's delve into what each fertilizer brings to the table. Calcium nitrate provides a balanced approach, offering both nitrogen and crucial calcium, which strengthens cell walls and prevents disorders like blossom end rot. On the other hand, urea is a powerhouse of nitrogen, essential for lush green foliage and robust vegetative growth. The way plants absorb these nutrients differs significantly, impacting the speed and duration of their effects on your crops. Now, let's consider how these fertilizers interact with your soil. Calcium nitrate is known for its minimal impact on soil acidity, making it suitable for a wider range of soil types. The calcium component also helps improve soil structure, enhancing aeration and water movement. Urea, while highly effective, can lead to a temporary increase in soil pH before gradually acidifying the soil. Its rapid solubility means it quickly becomes available to plant roots. Finally, let's talk about when and how to best use each fertilizer. Calcium nitrate is particularly beneficial for crops that are prone to calcium deficiencies, ensuring healthier fruit development. It's often preferred for its immediate availability and gentle impact. Urea is a cost-effective choice for general nitrogen enrichment, promoting rapid vegetative growth. However, it requires careful application to maximize its effectiveness and minimize environmental impact, often needing incorporation into the soil.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.